Alrighty. Let's see what I have for today. Because I honestly don't remember what I did yesterday. Get stats. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Alright. So we could just git-diff this and then see what I got. So yeah, we made the auto updaters, and then I started adding the log info so I can see what's going on. Then we segmented the string to get all the repos. Did we make the untracked files for that though? Yes, the string. All repos. Okay, so we created this is a loop, right? This shit is not. I gotta check that out then. So, yeah, because we need to go through all of them, right? And those tracked paths is going to be all of those, and then if we have untracked files, then we need to create untracked files. Oh, does this do all of them? This is the interface. Create untracked files. Yeah, it does do all of them. Okay. So we have all of that. And then in this, update the values. Should be all of them. Let me double check. Auto update values. Okay, cool. Cool. So even that, we get the lines added. And we do that. Then when we ticket, oops. So if the source isn't showing, then we don't do anything, which is sensible. And then info, time passed. Yep. If added is nothing, then we don't output anything from there. Actually, no, because if it's active. Okay. So what I really want to say here is if let's just say this. If info data tracked paths is null, then we do this. Down. Right. Oops, that's not what I meant. Right. And then if this is 0, then, well, no, because it should just be 0. Yeah. I think. See. Yeah. That should be good. Doing that. But here's the thing, every time we tick, we need to update the actual values. So else we're going to update values of the hash map for info data, and then for the untracked files, and then we get the string, so added. How are we pulsing interface? Okay, so this is for all the tracked files. Data added equals insertions. So whenever, we need to call this beforehand, but let's rename this to update tracked files. Oops. So we update the tracked files. Oh, I'm hitting control. Whoopsies. Update tracked files. Wait, let me make sure this isn't called in here. Update get data. Yeah. Okay, we didn't call it anywhere, which is good. So we update tracked files, info, data. Wait. Yeah, you gotta pass in that, and then data tracked paths. Right? So it's the pointer to the data. And that is a pointer already, so we're cool. Okay, so we update the track files, and then we update the untracked files, and then we do that. All right, let's try it. So too many arguments. What? Oh, right. I was looking at the wrong thing. Passing argument one. So this is a hash map. This needs to be the address of the hash map. Wait, no. This is the wrong thing. This needs to be the address. Okay. All right, we're looking good. It didn't crash. So, oh, it did crash there though. Let me load this in a terminal so I can see everything. So if I try to delete this, it just worked. Oh, no, it wasn't that. I hit cancel on this. Symbol lookup error, undefined signals, update unchecked files. And that is called when we update the properties. Right? So we update the properties and then we cannot find update untracked files. Where is it? Update untracked files. Alright, because I only switches here. Oh, wait. Is tracked or, oh, it's tracked, okay. Tracked files. And this isn't being found. Why though? Interface. No, it's included here. Update tracked files. And update tracked files. Alright, is this something? Interesting. It finds it if I go to definition 2. And it's in the .h. Update tracked files. It's spelled correctly. Let me double check that it's in CMake. Enter. Okay. I think. Wait, you can just type it in. 20. Oh, no, I went up. I went down. Okay. So in here, oops. If I don't keep doing that. Yeah, I didn't include it yet. So it'll be source / what did I do? Source / git-diff. Right? Yeah, it's in the man. Git-diff interface C, and then git diff interface.h. Now if I build a project, cannot find source file git diff interface. Source / git diff interface. Shit. 36 down. Oh, I forgot the headers of this. Source / I think it's just source. Damn. Okay. Unknown type. What? In function included. Invalid use of undefined type. And this is where? In .c. So I included the source, which is where oh, I didn't include the OBS shit in here. Can I just do all of this? Call it a day. That should get rid of those. Yes, it does. Very cool. So invalid use of undefined type, structured data. Why isn't it being found? So for get stat source, we included it in here and it's fine. Do I need the headers here? Place sources here. You know what? What did I do for the hash map? Because I think that the hash map uses it. Hash map. I included hash map. Hash map. Oh, this doesn't have the data stuff in it. Why wouldn't it be able to find this? What if I say like, I say, sure, get data. No, I don't think that would work, because that's a... Yeah. I wonder... No, it still doesn't work like that. Oh, this was the wrong one anyway. What if instead of this, I include this? Because it seems to have worked. No, it's still not it. I kind of don't understand this. Because the structure is initialized here. Feel like I'm missing something easy. What if for the CMake list, no, the C's before. Yeah. And this is included correctly too. Okay, what I could do here. Oh, that's not gonna work. The get data is defined in this. We include gets that source.h. This brings in sure to get data. They're named the same. Or maybe, no, because the sources is listed in front of CMake list, or in front of this in CMake list. Git-diff interface. Let's see. Include sets. Wait, what? Why the include file's not showing up in there? Oops. Let's just try putting this in front. No. This is super interesting because why in the world wouldn't it? It's gonna give us the same thing, right? Okay, but what if we include still the same thing? I wonder if it'll go the other way around if we define the structure. Within. No. Can I, do we use git stats anywhere? Like the. Yeah, the first place it shows up is there. Yeah, because wasn't update working before? No way this is typed wrong, right? No, it's the same thing. Oh, it's because I wasn't including it properly. So it wasn't showing up. Okay. Fuck. Why doesn't this work? We include the interface, which includes the source, which provides this, but still it's not being recognized. All right, where are we at? Right, this wasn't being found. So what I'm assuming is that when we include one of these, we're only getting the header and not the definition. So what we can do instead is we can take this, let's go 7 down, right? And then put this in git-stat source, right? 3 down. And then that will be that. And then we just have to, inside of this source, include get stat source.h. So now I think it should work. Okay, cool. There we go. All right. So now the git-diff interface. Extremely close this. I have too many open now. Interface. So at 73, what? I mean, git-diff interface, let's see. So, oh, if I want to use this operator, then I gotta delete this. Are we back to this? What do I do to fix this? Unknown type hash map, and this is in the source.h. Include hash map, and then include hashmap.h. And then for 80 at the interface, we have tracked files. Why isn't that? The structure should be in source.h now. Tracked paths. Wait, where do I run this? Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, this is 1 out of 3. So 87 output is what? So you put it into output. Entire path. This should be the file name. And then that means that this should be also the file name. Cool. And then there's 1 out of 3 again. Let's really just do all this at once. Wait, where is that? 87? 87. Oh. Size of... Wait. F gets, the max size would be... And F gets... The arguments is... size, and there's just... So the max size would be the size of the file name. And then, yeah, we did that. It's 1,000 bytes. $90. This is also going to be tracked paths. So then at 93, God, am I in check? None of this shit. Yes, this is the same thing where you don't need to dereference it because it was already just a structure. Unused parameter paths. And what? In 6. Untracked files. Paths. Oh, right. Because I just get the path from the data itself. So when we create untracked, we don't need this. Right? So that means within the source, when we call create untracked files, we don't need this second thing because we can just get it from the data. And then 140. This is in the interface. 40. This is track paths. Damn, I wrote tracked files everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna stop being lazy. We're gonna do this, S, tracked files, and then everywhere with confirmation. Oh, no, we're gonna replace it with tracked paths, everywhere with confirmation. No. Yes. Oh, that was it. Output 90. I thought I changed this. And then 182. Get lines added. We need to pass in what? A pointer to hash map. I passed in the hash map itself. Oops. And then insertions undeclared. So this is down here. Added equals insertions. Maybe insertions are right there. It's undeclared. How's that even possible? Oh, I see. This is in a for loop, and my dumbass put it in here. Oops. So, yeah. And then at this point, we need to plus equals insertions and deletions. Because this is for, wait, check out paths. Untracked. Oh, yeah. So this is for tracked, and then these are for untracked. So string copy writing 1 too many bytes. 42. 1 too many bytes. Diff string copy. Oh, I forgot the null byte. This is +1. And then I need another one of those. That's cool that warns me about that. Did I do it again somewhere else? Yup. So it's going to be another one of these. Destination object not malloc. Destination object of size, whatever, allocated by malloc. What, bro? Oh, okay. So now it's just this. It was trying to compile, gets that source. Why is this now a problem? In file included from whatever. Of all this shit. How is it even possible? Gets that source. 1? Oh. Do I need to do that? No. It doesn't even let you. So from source.h. Is it because we included this stuff without this? Okay. Cannot create directory. Let's file a directory. Wait, what the fuck? Well, run that back. Looking see. Oh, I see. So we have multiple definitions of git-source, first defined in git-source.h. But this is, excuse me? This is defined there, but I didn't define it here. I just declared it. Bro, why is this an issue? That's what definition gets that source. Because if I delete this, then we have linking issues. Okay, I guess we don't. Okay, whatever. Oh! We only ever use the source in here anyway. I think. Whatever. So let's open this up again. Fuck. So, in update, we're still having issues. So let's go ahead and hit some logs. Actually, no, I don't even need the log. I need to print directly to the console so I can see what the fuck it's saying. So, what is probably going wrong? So, there's a couple places, or really two. One of which I think is here. If we fuck up the segmented string. So let's hit test. Starting segmented. Starting to segment string. And then let's copy this. And then segmented string. Right? And then we come 6 down. Handling contract files. Finished handling untracked files. All right. Let me build that. OBS. Yep. So if I update this, it doesn't crash, right? It does crash. So I started to segment the string and then it failed. So we are getting here. Ooh. So let's and then we're going to try to print the string. Oops. So we try segmenting the string. So the string was S. We come through. Okay, first of all, let's have a null handler. So if string is null, then we obviously return null. But when we start the segment, string. Actually, we can just keep pushing this through, see exactly where it fails. Yes, stop asking me this. Oh, that's not fun. Oh, wait a minute. We did segment it. And then we come down here. We did not get to. We didn't even get to. We segmented the string. Then we got the settings from there. Ah, I don't have that setting on. So it did fail somewhere else. Okay. Oops. So after we segment the stream, okay, is debug not one? Where did it start? Okay, so debug is one. Why aren't these saying anything? So when we tick it, oh, I didn't set anything for this. Okay, let's just do if debug. Then we're gonna paste this, and we're gonna say source starting to tick. Because I feel like it is probably an issue with ticking if it's not the updating. Because maybe it ticks? I actually didn't think about that. No, it's not ticking. Render update. Actually, okay. It's not there either. Where else would it be? We create the source. That's fine. It already exists. We do update it, but we don't even get there. We don't tick. My dumbass. It's because I'm not printing it. I'm sending it to this log. Show log files. This is the 24th. I think it's this one. Why did it open in here? Whatever. Source is true. What time is it right now? Oh, this is not right. I'm looking for 11:12. Here we go. I don't know why I keep opening it now, but yeah. So it crashed. So it didn't say anything in the log. Yeah. Let's just print it. So let's have two different debugs. Debug print and debug log. Okay. So we're gonna go to every debug. Debug print. Right, and then I need manual line because it doesn't do that for me. Debug log. Debug print. Okay. Next. Log. Else if debug print. Source starting to tick. That was spelled wrong. And then I'm missing this. Debug. Oops. Where was I just at? Log. Now, I'm really hoping... Oh, you know what? I don't need the hope, because I can just flush standard out, and that'll guarantee that I get the output. Flush standard out. Flush standard out. All right, cool. This is it's getting ticked, so it's not a ticking issue. And then we updated the settings. Source has been updated, and then we tried to tick again and it didn't work. So there's an issue here. So we went from being here to being here, right? So it's one of these things. You know what? I might be missing some error handling, because when I'm typing this out, it's not going to be a valid path, but it's still checking, I think. Yeah. So let's see if we got to here. Okay, we started the track and then it failed. So I need error handling for non-valid paths. Okay. So here, actually, let's check that this. If error no. What puts something in error no? Is it open dir? On error, null is returned and error no is set to indicate an error, right? So we're going to say error no equals 0. Error no is included in here, right? Yeah. Oh, I already set it to 0. Yeah, so why doesn't it get there? Maybe we don't get all the way down. And then for the source, since I know where it is now, let's set this to 0. And then let's hit another one of these. We did not get down there. So we should for sure get up here. Wait, why did we start at 1? Wait, what the fuck? Are we even going through it at all? Because we only have one thing in here? Yeah. But we'll get in here, I assume. Yeah. So, oh, I know why. It's because I was passing in, the paths was freaking argv, and the first of argv would be the executable user run. So we should now get in here. Oh, we don't. So let's print out the number of paths. Because if that's 0, then there's a problem. Yeah. All right, so we're getting 0 from check paths. Where are we calling check paths? We are calling check paths when we do update tracked. Num tracked files. Oh, am I not counting it when I do the segment? Yep, and I left myself a note too. That shit's crazy. Okay. So let's say int pointer amount hold equals I think we just need to put it. And then we're gonna put that in here for segment string. And then we're gonna take an int pointer and then we can deadass just say, oh, let's rename this something else. Num paths. And we're gonna go down and side equals null. So before we return, let's say that the value of numpass will now equal count, right? Wait, we start at 0. Oh, count is an index, so it'll be count plus 1. Because we start at 0, then we put something in there, and then we increment it. Okay. So now given that, let's go up here and say but I still need the handler for 0. I was fucking that up regardless. But now that we have that, where's segments? Here it is. So then we say info data number of tracked files equals the value at amount told. Awesome. So now is the num path. What do I do? Num path. Oh yeah, it is num path. Shit. Amount hold was declared here. 156, 50. Is used uninitialized. Whatever, bro. Yes. Now hopefully it doesn't crash. Fuck. Alright. It's taking a bit too long, but we're getting somewhere. Yeah. And I'm getting too far between pushes, so let me go ahead and push what I got, even though it's not where I want to be. Would you look at that? Yeah, I should have committed a while ago. So what do we do here? We started to implement you know what? Let's be more specific. So started to implement the git-diff implementation into the source, or rather than implement, let's say integrate. Holy shit, is it gonna take that long? Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, that was an okay day. Still got some bugs to work out, but it is what it is.